All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018. That's right, folks, 2018 Hyundai Elantra. It is the SEL model, beautiful royal blue with gray interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. You got backup camera, alloy wheels, only 2,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good, your front hood looks good, your front fender looks nice. Here's your front your front driver's rim, very nice. I do not see any curbing here. Let's check out your tire thread, which is over 932. This door looks good, this rear door looks good, this quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread, over 932. Here's the nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with 2 keys and 2 key fobs and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player. Sure. AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You get your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what transmission cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 2,750. Oh, and I see an airbag light on. All right. Very nice. Get the backup camera one more time. Very nice. All right. And then, of course, you get your Onyx and all that good stuff there. Little thing closes. All right, keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Oh, it's got blindside assistance, which I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty nice. Your rear deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and then I tucked away your owner's manuals right there. This quarter looks pretty good. Is your rear driver's side passenger side rim. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more to engulf all that. Tire thread is over 932. This door, there's just some light scratches there. Here's the sandable. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front passenger door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim, very nice, no curbing to that. And your tire thread is at 932. All right, lights are working, car is on, folks. Once again, this is a 2018, that's right, 2018 Hyundai Elantra SEL model with only 2,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy birthday.